Good morning, everyone. It has been a while from the last time that I have called you all managers together. So, long story short, we're going to set up a subsidiary in Singapore next month. It will work with our Singaporean suppliers directly and help us to solve the issue of packaging. The budget for it will be $1.2 million, including the rentals, salaries, and all other fees for the first year. Caitlin, please make sure we don't go beyond this, okay? Here's the soft structure for subsidiary. There will be 3 people under financing department, 4 under accounting, 5 for human resources, and 6 for purchasing. So 18 employees in total. The registration has been gone through already. And here's the plan. We need Lucille to be there before October 1st for the recruitment. Andrea, you might want to go with Lucille and take over the preparation work, okay? About Caitlin, Jordan, Edward, and Samantha, I need you guys to get there for training the newcomers. The training should be finished by the end of October because the subsidiary will be starting making orders from November. And I want everything to be on the right track by then. Alright, any feedbacks or comments? No? Okay, then that's it for today's meeting. Thank you for being here, and I hope everything goes smoothly with the subsidiary. Thank you.